How to allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, you have to launch your Instagram app. Once done, you have to get logged into your specific Instagram account. Now, tap onto your profile, you will see a page like this. Now, let's go ahead and tap on this 3-bar icon on your top right-hand side. Once done, you will see settings and activity. You have to scroll below and look for an option that says messages and story replies. This will be under how others can interact with you, so tap onto it. And at the first section, you will see message requests. Tap onto it. Likewise, under who can send you message requests, tap on your followers on Instagram. If it's on don't receive requests, tap on message requests. Go back, tap on others on Instagram, and you can also go ahead and do the same for this as well. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.